Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress after installation. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard, your central hub. This area provides a quick overview of your site's activity and essential tools. You can easily access posts, pages, comments, and appearance settings from the left-hand navigation menu. Familiarize yourself with this layout, as it's where you'll manage nearly every aspect of your website with just a few clicks. Now let's create some content. WordPress offers two main types: posts for blog entries and pages for static content like an About Us section. To add a new post, simply navigate to Posts, then Add New. You can type your content, add images, and even embed videos. Remember to save your work frequently, either as a draft or by publishing it directly to your live site for the world to see. Personalizing your site's look is next. Head over to Appearance, then Themes to browse thousands of free and premium options. Once you've chosen a theme, use the Customize option to adjust colors, fonts, and layout in real time. Widgets, found under Appearance, then Widgets, allow you to add dynamic content blocks to your sidebars or footers, enhancing functionality and user experience across your website. Finally, let's fine-tune your site settings and extend its capabilities. Under Settings, review General for your site title and tagline, and permalinks to ensure user-friendly URLs. For added functionality, explore plugins. There are tens of thousands available, from SEO tools to contact forms. Installing and activating a plugin can add powerful features to your WordPress site, often with just one or two clicks, making your website truly versatile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.